Hello everyone, and today we're going to talk about what's the difference between the words adjectives vehement, fervent, ardent. They mean someone with strong opinions, intentions, or perhaps pursuing something very eagerly. And in this video, we are to define their meanings. Vehement. It carries some kind of degree of negativism with a forceful and aggressive manner. For instance, you were working for a company, let's say for 20 years, you've got a bunch of achievements, and recently you made a simple mistake. One simple mistake, and because of it, you are gone. You're fired by your vehement boss who can't tolerate mistakes. And it doesn't matter how many achievements you've got before, you are now fired. The next word, fervent. This word is about feelings and beliefs. For example, there are environmental groups in this world. They care about our nature, about our planet, about our future. And despite of all difficulties, hurdles, problems, obstacles, etc., they are pursuing their goal. The goal to save and preserve our environment, to make the future happen. They are fervent people. They have strong beliefs, ideas, opinions, principles, feelings, and so on, and they stick with it. The last word, ardent. And in this case, I'm going to provide an example about me, because this word is about enthusiasm. And I can say that I am an ardent English learner. Why? Because I'm practicing English each and every day. How? I am reading aloud, speaking, commenting in English each and every day. I am watching movies, series, playing games in English, listening music in English, and all of it I have been doing from February 2020 by myself. Yes, by myself. So, because of it, I can say I am an ardent English learner. And my main goal is to be like a native speaker, even though it's not always smooth. So, now I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.